Tiny plasma, it's right here. Whoa.
It's not even $1.
It's a tiny flashlight. Pliers, small pliers. At center there is the camera.
Subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button and turn on the ring bell. Thank you. The first gadget that I want to show you is mini USB endoscope. And this is the guy. It says that have 6 pieces adjustable LEDs at front of the camera. And believe it or not, this cost $4.68, almost $5. For $5 you will get USB endoscope that works on computer, on personal computer and on your smartphone. In the package you will find one extension that is from one side USB male and from other side is micro USB female connector. This is the camera with micro USB connector. Here we have adjustable brightness for LEDs, a button for taking pictures, and the camera. It's so tiny. You can see the white LEDs and at center there is the camera. Let's plug to the phone. Just to connect this extension cable, my OTG adapter. You can download the app by scanning the code. It's working, look. The quality, it's not very well, but it's working. Now the LEDs are very bright, and I'm gonna check my personal computer. It's working great, and this is mostly used for car problems. Nice gadget. Next gadget is tweezers with LED light. Very handy tool. It looks like a bullet. This small thing is the switch. Let's see the batteries inside. It's working with 3 tiny batteries, size AG3. Or you can use it just like this, without the tweezers. It's a tiny flashlight. From Aliexpress. These tweezers cost $1.63, and it's a nice tool to have it. Next gadget is a coil, just to open. It comes with two fast connectors, and it's mountable. You can mount this on your box or in your car. USB socket with two USB outlets that gives 5 volts 1 amp and 5 volts 2.1 amp. And it have this rubber protective lid. I'm gonna use this in my project. It's marked where is a positive and where is the negative, and I'm gonna test it right now. This is the positive. Negative, this is the positive, and it's working. To test with my USB doctor, it gives 5 volts. The other USB also gives 5 volts, and have a LED light for indicating that it's working. This gadget, I like it very much because I can mount on my project box, and you're gonna see this in my future videos. This USB socket from Aliexpress costs $2.20. It's not cheap, but it's very practical. For around $8.80 you can buy this very cute mini robot in a can, and it comes in different colors. Here it is, and you open just like this. And I'm gonna try it now. Does it have batteries? Yes, it does. Does it have batteries inside this? Yes. Whoa! It's working. It's a tiny robot with a tiny, small remote control. It's a great toy for kids, and it's worth $8, I think. Great stuff. That's all. That was all for today's video. I hope you like it. Please share, subscribe, and like the video. Where are you going, little guy? Subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button, and turn on the ring bell. Thank you. For around $4, you can get from Aliexpress a Tesla coil kit, and this electronic device is very interesting for experimenting, and it's a nice gadget to have it. Okay, here it is. I must mention that it's not come assembled. You need to solder all the parts, which is the fun time. There are two big heat sinks for the transistors. This is the main coil, the DC jack for powering the device. You can hook up from 15 up to 24 DC voltage. 3.5mm jack for plug-in audio. Let's test it. Inside tube there is a blue LED, and this red LED indicates that the device is working. Okay, I have a small bulb, and look, from distance around 5 centimeters it lights up. Let me kill the lights. This is the same electric indicator that works on 220 volts. It's not connected, but it's working. Old CFL bulb without electronics, and look, it's working and it's safe to experiment. Very cool gadget, and it's not expensive. It's just $4 for Aliexpress. You can see the tiny plasma. It's right here. Wow. Let me show you with the CFL bulb. It's great. Take a look at next gadget. For $15 I get it this mini mobile phone. It's smaller than the lighter. Let's power up. Welcome. It's a tiny phone. It has alarm. It has a Bluetooth. Whoa! On the side you can place your SIM card. It have something like locking and unlocking the phone, the micro USB connector for charging the phone, phone book, message, call history, multimedia. It can play an MP3 player, songs, organizer. It's very small. I can't believe it that they made such a thing. Okay, for $1.30 you can get 16 bits or 16 50/50 RGB LED ring with addressable LEDs. Okay, each LED can be addressed for different color. Okay, let's test it. I have hooked up a small circuit for driving the LEDs. A microcontroller will control the LEDs, and in this example I am using a microcontroller ATtiny85 just to power up with 5 volts. Okay. Let's turn off the light. That is amazing. Green, blue. I'm controlling with just one switch. It's so nice. Power off. This gadget, I like it a lot, and it's not expensive. Around $1 for one piece. Great stuff. For around $10 you can get a USB charger car lighter socket adapter with LED voltmeter and ammeter. This is the guy. It can work from 12 volts up to 24 volts. It have USB outlet with quick charge 3.0. You can mount it on your box. Behind there is a positive and negative terminal. And let's power up. Very nice gadget and very useful because it shows the voltage that comes into the device, and here show the amps that are consumed by the USB plug. Let's check that. .97 volts. It's working fine. Look what I found on Aliexpress. Big powery battery, 2800 milliamperes, dual phone SIM GSM strong signal shockproof LED light at front. What the? Okay, it costs around $18. And here it is, the guy. Let's power up. Welcome. It have a very powerful LED flashlight at front of the phone. Have big numbers and it's great for elders. Messaging, phone book, multimedia, organizer, multimedia, camera. It have a camera. Oh, 1.3 megapixel camera. Okay. How to light the torch? You press it here. Yes. Turn it off. It's made from a very rough material and have that military look. Let's check. This is the micro USB port for charging, 3.5mm jack for headphones. Nothing more. Let's open the battery. Wow! Correct. The battery is 2800 milliamperes and it's very big. You can see that works with 2 SIM cards, have slot for the micro SD card. Wow. Like this, it's not heavy, but with the battery, yes. $18. I can't believe it that they made a phone for $18 with a lot of functions that need to elders. Older people will like this. Okay. $5.5 for LED flame bulb, flickering fire effect. Okay. Here it is. It's too light. Can I open this? Whoop. Whoa. A bunch of LEDs soldered on flexible PCB. You can see that the electronics port is down there. Let's check it. Oh. It's really like a fire. Flickering LED bulb for $5. Let's open and see like this. Need to be careful not to. Okay. That's cool. Subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button and turn on the ring bell. Thank you. For around $5 you can get 3 to 6 volts air pump with a small DC motor, and with this thing you can do a lot of DIY projects. Here it is. And this one is made in Tokyo. Let's try it. working great. And just to show you, at 6 volts the DC pump pull around 300 milliamperes. You can see on the digital power supply. And can work with minimum voltage of around 2 volts. Okay. The digital USB tester. And this thing cost, believe it or not, 82 cents from Aliexpress. Let's test it. One male USB connector and one female. Input, output. Here it says that it's a USB charger adapter that works from 3.5 volts up to 7 volts and can measure amps 0 up to 3 amps max. My homemade portable power supply that gives 5 volts USB. I'm gonna plug in 4.98 volts and it will change to amps 000. I'm gonna plug a device like this USB lamp. 0.14 amps, 140 milliamperes, 4.9 volts. It's working great. $0.80. It's not even $1, and it's very useful device for all gadgets that you will see in this video. I will put links in description below so you can check it. $3 Bluetooth MP3 decoder. Such a nice board with all stuff. It have couple of push switches for play, next, back, equalizer. The output audio is through 3.5mm jack. You can connect here a lithium battery, 3.7 volts. Also can be powered with micro USB connector. It have micro SD card and USB for flash drives. Let's test it. As I say, it's a Bluetooth, and right now I power it with micro USB cable. My homemade mini amplifier, and this is the output. Okay, let's turn on. Come on. You can command or choose the track directly from the board. Great stuff! Waterproof USB white LED strip, and for 5 meters I pay around $9, and it's great for this strip that it's working on 5 volts and 5 meters. Basically, you can cut every chip. You can see that for each LED there is a resistor. And remember, the whole 5 meters on USB will pull around or more than 5 amps. Remember that. I'm trying the LED strip, USB 5 volts LED strip on my power bank that can give maximum 2 amps. Wow, it's super bright. The voltage is dropped. Okay. The cheapest 3D sound USB card for personal computer, and believe it, cost 49 cents from Aliexpress. External USB sound card. With 2 outputs, one of them is for headphones and other one is for microphone. Nice gadget.